guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you all you need to know about the enoki mushroom, aka the see you tomorrow. Never heard of this reference before? Then don't miss out today's video. Hi new friends, this is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. Today on our Explain series, we're gonna talk all about the enoki mushroom. I'll detailed break down this Asian mushroom for you, including the history background, the nutrition benefit of the mushroom, and more. And also we'll be making a very simple but tasty 10 minutes mushroom dish at the end. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. If you're not familiar with the Asian recipe before, you probably never heard of the enoki mushroom. It looks like this, aka the see you tomorrow. The reason why enoki mushroom got this nickname is because it's really high in dietary fiber. So if you don't properly chew it, I mean really chew it, you will see it tomorrow. Trust me. Since in English we call the mushroom enoki mushroom and it's come from its Japanese name enoki take, the world probably will thought that the enoki mushroom was originally come from Japan, and Japan should be the biggest export country for enoki mushroom, right? But in fact, due to the ancient book, enoki mushroom have been documented as a cultivated crop since 1998 in China. But enoki mushroom wasn't as popular as it is right now until it got carried forward in Japan 1,000 years later. Japan was truly the biggest exporting country for enoki mushroom in the early 20th century, but unsurprisingly, it got replaced by China by 1990s. The wild enoki mushroom and the cultivated enoki mushroom looks very different. They are the same type of mushroom, but they were grown in different techniques. Wild enoki mushrooms are brown and stocky without much of a stem, if any. The cultivated version of enoki is noodle thin with a long spiny stem. And it's pure white. I didn't even know there was a wild enoki mushroom in the nature that grows so different than the enoki mushroom that I eat growing up until I was writing the script today. It's very interesting. I wonder how it tastes. Please, if you tasted before, leave a comment down below and tell me how it tastes. I really want to try it. Enoki mushroom is rich in vitamins and minerals, also the healthy amino acid. They are low in cholesterol, high in dietary fiber, and also full of antioxidants. Vitamins and minerals found in enoki mushrooms including the niacin, calcium, iron, potassium, and riboflavin. Especially the iron content in enoki is actually 20 times higher than in spinach. It's low in calories, so it's a great choice for a weight loss diet. In Asian medicine, enoki mushroom have been used for centuries to treat high blood pressure, high cholesterol, liver disease, and stomach illness. Enoki mushroom are currently being studied as a potential cure for cancer by Dr. Ikekawa, a Japanese scientist. Numerous study has been done showcasing the potential power of enokis. And a 2009 study in which rats infected with HPV were given an enoki extract shown that the rat ingested the mushroom were 60% less likely to develop tumors. Fascinating. The traditional Japanese method of eating enoki mushroom is put it into soup, and in Taiwan we like to put it in hot pot and also barbecue it on a special holiday, which is exactly what we're gonna make today. They can also be sauteed, stir-fried, cooked in soup, and deep-fried. Enoki mushroom are normally sold in bunches. In the US, you can find this mushroom in a gourmet or high-end grocery store, Asian market. And since enoki mushroom is actually the third biggest production mushroom in the world right now, you can sometimes find them in the normal grocery store here in the US too. Most of the cultivated enoki mushroom that we see nowadays are pure white, but sometimes you can find a yellow one too. The yellow one tastes a little bit more crispier than the white one and also is easier to digest. Besides the color, here's how you pick enoki mushroom in the market. There's 4 tips. First, lengthwise. Normally the way we pick mushroom, we want to find around 15 centimeters enoki mushroom, which is around 6 inch. To be honest, I've never seen any other sizes before, so that's not normal to me. But I also did a research that they say 6 inch, which is 15 centimeters of enoki mushroom are the best. Second, the smaller the cap, the better. If you see one of those enoki mushroom with the cap wide open or a little split, that means it's old. Third, if you saw little yellow dots on the enoki mushroom, that is fine. That probably means that it's been sprayed by water before. It's not old or bad, but it's not really good choice for storage. So if you're gonna shop it on Monday and then cook it on Friday, don't pick one of those with the yellow dots on it. And the fourth one, if it's sticky, obviously it's bad. I think this applies for all kinds of mushrooms, not just enokis. So now we get to know all we need to know about this amazing, nutritious enoki mushrooms. Let me teach you how to properly prepare them when you get them. Normally, when you buy an enoki mushroom in a supermarket right now, it's packaged in a plastic bag and with the bottom still attached together and a lot of dirt inside. The easiest way to wash them is to cut it straight from the outside of the bag and get rid of the roots. Don't cut too much off, but just like the bottom 3 centimeters is enough. And now, just hold the bag of the mushroom and fill it up with water. Wiggle it around and lightly rub it from the outside of the bag and get rid of most of the dirt inside. And repeat this step for 2 to 3 times. Then take it out and slightly rinse them under the water and done. Super clean. At this point, the bottom of the enoki mushroom is still attached. This is normal. Most of the time when we cook enoki mushroom, we want them to be in little bunches. The texture is the best this way. So after washing, I'll just rip it into small bunches as I need for the dish. Today, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to prepare enoki mushroom. You can either pop it into the oven or put it on your grill. It takes only 10 minutes from prepping to get it onto the dinner table. The garlic butter enoki mushroom. The ingredient we need today is the enoki mushroom, salt, pepper, minced garlic, butter, and scallion. Preheat the oven to 250 Celsius, which is around 480 Fahrenheit, or you can also use the grill. Peel the mushroom to a bite-sized bunches like this, and put them into the center of the tin foil. Put on some diced butter, minced garlic, sprinkle some pepper and salt on top, and wrap it up. Before you seal it, put in 2 tablespoons of water, or if you will, you can also use any kind of broth. Seal it up and put it into the oven for 6 minutes. And done! The super easy and simple garlic butter enoki mushroom is ready. Sprinkle some scallion for decoration, and look at this. It's amazing. I love it so much. This recipe takes no effort and time, but it's super nutritious and tasty. Seasoning mushrooms with garlic and butter will never be wrong. Now while we're enjoying this amazing dish, let's learn some Chinese. The word of the day today is 大蒜奶油金针菇, the garlic butter enoki mushroom. The first word with 2 characters, we have learned it before, it's garlic. 大蒜. 大蒜. It's 4th tone and 4th tone. 大蒜. Which you can also call it 蒜. It's the same. And the second word with 2 characters is 奶油. 奶油. The 3rd tone and the 2nd tone. 奶油, which means butter. And the last word with 3 characters is our main ingredient today, the enoki mushroom. 金针菇. 金针菇. It's all 1st tone. 金针菇, which means enoki mushroom. Let's practice it together again. 大蒜奶油金针菇, garlic butter enoki mushroom. Thank you for watching to the end. Let me know if you like this explain series by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only going to take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I upload a video like this every Thursday, so remember to hit that bell, then you will never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!